We are a professional manufacturer based in China. Smart punching hydraulic systems deliver 180-ton cutting force, creating bolt holes at 12 meters per second. Fully automated with PLC control. After leveling, they are cut to the set length. This machine can produce 2 or 3 wave profiles. Typically, only adjustments to the roll forming process are needed. Each unit undergoes 72+ hours of trial runs with live material before shipment. From coil to crash barrier, where innovation meets infrastructure. Guard safety, guard the world. Steelma always give you proper solution.